Hey everyone, welcome back to the basement. And today we're checking out this WePlan vacuum backpack. I bought this because I am a big fan of these vacuum backpacks because they really shrink down the space when you travel. This one has a ton of features that I really love. Getting into the basic features, the front pocket is pretty standard. It's just an open, deep pocket. The bottom down here is one of my favorite features of all. This is where you can put shoes, wet clothes, any items like that, and it's separate from everything inside. See, if I put my hand in here and open up the top, this is the bag that all that stuff goes into. Getting to the inside of the main bag, on the front panel, you do have pockets here, and you also have a zipper pocket here. Off to the side and inside, you have a USB plug, so you can put in a charging station in here and then plug your items as you travel. But this portion is where it really shines. This is the vacuum portion of the bag. Let me get some clothes and shove them in here. So going in here is going to be 3 sweatshirts, just so I can show you the vacuum feature on this. And what you do is stuff everything in here, then you zip it up, take the vacuum pump, put it on top, double press the start button, and it will suck out all the air. Once you get all the air sucked out, you have a much more compact bag. And don't worry, this pump is USB-C rechargeable, so no need for additional batteries. But the bag features don't stop there. You also get a laptop section. This can easily hold a 13, probably a 15-inch laptop. My 13-inch fits in here, no problem. And then one of my favorite features, what I like to call the security area. This is the back portion of the backpack where you can put items like passports, wallets, other things that you don't want people to steal because it's against your back and it's hard for them to get to. Throw on top of that, you get some additional padding on your back and your shoulders, so it's going to be comfortable to wear for long periods of time. And these straps are really durable. But what you want to know is what I recommend the backpack. And to be honest with you, I would. I love these vacuum backpacks. I've gotten one for me, for my wife, for the kids, for friends. They really cut down what you have to take with you on travel. They're great for airplanes. This one with the charging station on the side here makes it fantastic, especially if you carry a lot of electronics with you. And at the end of the day, these WePlan backpacks come in 25 different colors, so you're bound to find one that you like. So as always, I hope these short reviews help with your purchasing decision, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your shopping day.